Let's take a quick look at a 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is the ZR2 off-road ready truck. Already comes with a 2-inch lift. You can see the corner cut bumpers there, all-terrain tires. Skid plates in the front and underneath. Those red recovery hooks. Signature grille. Even has that cutout emblem. That's pretty sharp. It's a 6.2 liter V8, so it's super powerful, and it has those DSSV dampers. They use those in all the Baja stuff. So yeah, this is completely off-road tuned. Super powerful. Sterling gray metallic in a double door. Rear sliding window. Spray-in liner. Has a full 360-degree camera. Parking sensors here in the back. Steel steps. Keyless entry. So it's a two-tone leather interior. The yellow stitching. Upgraded Bose sound system. So power leather seats. These are heated and ventilated. Big touch screen, and you can get all your off-road information on the driver's screen. Leather heated wrapped steering wheel, automatic shifter. It's got the camera in the rear view mirror, Google and OnStar all built in. This was a 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500 ZR2 at Great North GM. My name is Kylie. We'll see you soon.